Let's do it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that looks easy but can be made to be a lot more difficult. So, let's perform. Alright, now check this out. As I go through the deck, I'll have a spectator call out stop. Let's say right here. So we'll take this card, have a spectator take a look, and remember it. Once that card's been memorized, we'll just take it, leave it on top of the deck, and we'll give the deck a quick overhand shuffle. We could give it a cut as well, but let's not give it a cut. Alright, now as I start going through the deck again, we're going to try to see if the spectator could find their card for the second time. Right, so I'm just going to start going through. Spectator call it stop right here. Right, let's just say a call it stop right here. We'll take this card, and we'll see that it is the spectator's selected card. Wait, is that not the card? No worries, no worries. We're going to use this as an indicator card, and we'll use this as a 3, right? This is a 3. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and we'll see there's a spectator's card, the 5 of hearts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this performance, and the early access tutorial will be on my Patreon page under the Associate Mechanic tier, so you can go and check that out. Or you can wait the full 24 hours like most other people and just get it at the same time as them. So now while you're waiting, make sure to go and check out that performance because that already has a tutorial video out there. So I'll see you there. Peace out.